opposed to joining politics, or you critiqued that and you joined. So first question is, why did you decide to join politics? And number two, I don't know if people remember, there was this famous 2013 interview of Sagarika's with Mamata Banerjee, where she asked some hard questions and she stormed off midway, and now you're in that party. So why did you join Trinamool Congress? So these are my two questions.
Well, you know, I have to say for Mamata Banerjee that although she stormed off that interview, she then never lost touch with me. She kept on being in touch with me. She took all my questions. She gave me lots of interviews. I think her heart broke at that time. You know, she flared up and walked out, but I think she thought, I wish I hadn't done that. And I think since then, we actually formed quite a bond. So I always say the difference between Mamata Banerjee and Narendra Modi, Mamata Banerjee walked out of my show in 2012 and in 2024 offered me a Rajya Sabha seat. Mr. Modi walked out of Karan Thapar's show in 2007, but has not offered Karan Thapar a Rajya Sabha seat. In fact, has ostracized Karan Thapar from his charmed circle of journalists. So I think there's anyone who has really split and destroyed journalists as a community, it is Narendra Modi actually. But to come back to politics and to why I joined, it was getting increasingly difficult, Neha, to do the kind of journalism that we want to do. You know, journalists are we are the gorilla in the room, we're the cockroach in the system. We have to ask the tough questions. It's our job to ask the tough questions. It's not because we're doing it because we hate X or dislike Y, but it's our job as journalists to ask questions. You know, Brazilian journalists once said that we are always anti-establishment. But in today's media, you can't afford to be asking any questions at all. You can't afford to be anti-establishment at all. I mean, today's media is a joke. I mean, we all saw, right, what happened. I mean, we had captured Karachi, we had captured Lahore, we had bombed Karachi port, we had flattened POK. I mean, we were almost capturing Rome. And, you know, we had almost overrun Manhattan, you know. I mean, we were about to capture Saturn, actually. I think, you know, we would have captured Saturn by now. So that's the kind of crazy media that, in fact, there was a joke that, you know, having overrun the world, we are now moving to take over Saturn. So the kind of media that there is at the moment, there is simply no space for questioning, no space for telling truth to power. I always